Are you ready? For you. Hey, it's Cornfu here. So, a few weeks ago, I was at a local park, Fort Mott State Park, and just exploring. I wasn't playing Pokemon Go, but anyway, I was there with my kids, and I found this piece of artwork. It was really cool. It was on a small canvas, just laying there. No signature, no anything. It was pretty cool. And I was like, wow, kind of an art drop type thing. So I was like, you know what? I kind of want to do that. So I went to good old Jerry's Artarama. I love that place. I go to the one near Newark, Delaware, near the college. The owner, Dave, super cool dude. If you're in the area, if you're anywhere near Newark, Delaware, stop in there. Really cool shop. Screw you, Michaels. So I went and got these little teeny canvases. So and it's got little magnets on it. So I'm going to paint something on this, something cool, and acrylic, and then I'm going to drop it off at an undisclosed location. And I think I'm going to try to film me dropping it off. So it has magnets. I don't know if I said that, but stick it on something metal, like a vehicle, which I'm not going to do because it'll blow off. So I'm going to leave it and see who finds it. So let's go do this.